Hey guys, back on the Emerson cabinet. For those that watched the last short video, and I'll put a link here for it, I created a template out of craft paper, and I've cut out my first piece of veneer. You can see with the grain lines, for the most part, running close to a 45-degree angle. You can see it's slanted there. And then on the inside, I went on and traced around the grill cutout area. I'll probably go ahead and cut out roughly and leave a little bit of an overhang for some sanding and filling as necessary. Flip it around where you can see the other side. So I think it'll look fairly good. I wish I could have saved the original veneer. It definitely has more character, but with the grill area completely rotted out due to water damage, I decided to take more of a drastic approach and just recover this thing. And there's a look at the back side of the paperback veneer. You can see my cutout lines for the grill area. I'll cut out on the inside and then file or sand down. Give that a try. And I'll look at the template in the opposite direction after tracing out the template, and I'm just getting ready to cut the wood veneer. Maybe that's a better look at the 45-degree cut that I made. There's a look at the cabinet with the veneer on. I still got to do some trimming on the veneer. Of course, it's not fastened down, just taped in place. Got these big gaps. And the grill area resides here and also on the back side as well. I'll leave this taped in place, let it get acclimated to the temperature and humidity. Thanks for watching.